So now I'm going to show you how you can use coupons and promotions in order to reward and entice your Snapchat followers. So once again, anytime you want your Snapchat followers to take any action, you need to offer them value of some kind. Whether it be signing up to an email address or buying a product, you need to have sort of like sales event or reason why they should. So using coupons is a very easy way to motivate people to buy things from your site or a service that you offer, because they have a limited time to use this coupon, and if they don't get that same offer ever again. So it really does give people motivation to buy products and services that you may have for sale. So in front of you is an example of one of these coupons. It's just a simple coupon code, which is spicy. And if you go to whatever website this is, it'd actually be good if they added what website this was. If you go to that website and enter the word spicy at checkout, you'll get 15% off your order. So the second one, the picture's a little small, but I thought it was a really cool, well-fitting business. It's a pizza business, so Turtle Pizzeria could be using this. It's got use code SLICE to get a discount. It doesn't say how much, which is, again, smart. Similar to the 16 handles coupon campaign that they had. They don't know how much they get off their order until they've already placed or until they've already set up their order ready to pay. So it really does take away a lot of friction in ordering, because they have to set up their order their pizza, build it online, and then enter the coupon code. And even if it's only like 1% discount, there's still people who are going to be ordering that pizza. And lastly, if you can read this is another 10% voucher off a website. But you can see down the bottom, it says 4 minutes and 38 seconds left to redeem, meaning that they have a timer on this. So they really want an influx of sales, and they want people to take action immediately after reading their Snapchat. So make sure you don't lie about this. Make sure if you are offering a 5-minute sale and you get 10% off, only have the sale for 5 minutes. And people will then tune into your Snapchats more often if they know they've missed the first one or the second one. And it really is a cool way to have a quick 5-minute sales event, get a little bit of revenue in, or get a few new customers in the door for your business, so you can then potentially upsell them down the line. So I want you to create some coupons for your business and send them out on Snapchat in some creative ways that may be enticing to your audience and your customers. I bet you guys can get some great results. Remember to always promote an event over an offer.